So what voids a roof warranty? Well, first of all, the reason why you would be calling us out there for an initial inspection or an initial consultation might be the kind of event that would cause a roof warranty to be voided. In other words, maybe it was a really big windstorm that blew away part of your roof. There's certain language, specific language in the manufacturer's installation instructions and the qualification of how long the roof is supposed to last and under which conditions it would be warranted, and extremely high wind events, extremely high numbers on wind speed, and hail, depending upon the type of roofing product that is on your roof. Those two things in Nebraska and Iowa are probably going to be the two most common factors that would be voiding a warranty. I could get into the weeds a little bit about, improper installation can void a warranty. A roofing contractor that didn't read through the instructions about what this particular roofing product required for the assembly instructions, if they didn't do it right, that can void a warranty. Certain factors with the home itself, say there was a fire or that sort of thing, you may not have a warranty on the roofing product if it was damaged by some external factor like fire, wind, hail, that sort of thing. And then finally, age. There is, after a certain period of time, a manufacturer will say, okay, you got the life expectancy out of this product that we promised, and we're no longer it would no longer be warrantable because it's been on the roof for over 30 years, for instance.